Small Pharma are developing DMT as a rapid-acting antidepressant treatment. And rapid-acting means sort of in comparison to standard antidepressant treatments such as SSRIs, which can take, up to 6 weeks to start working for some people. And so the rapid-acting part is where we think that antidepressant effects will come on within a day or so. DMT is one of several psychedelics in development for depression and related mood disorders. And the reason we, as Small Pharma, selected DMT as our lead candidate compound was because the duration of the psychedelic experience, the subjective experience, is only sort of 20 to 30 minutes, whereas some of the others are 6 to 8 hours. So that's, for us, would lead to like greater clinical flexibility. We also selected it because there was existing preclinical and mechanistic data. And that mechanistic data, so you asked how it works in the brain. So, it's a serotonergic psychedelic, so its structure is very similar to serotonin. And so it binds to the 5-HT receptors, among others, actually. We've done a receptor binding, study, which we'll publish at some point. The subjective effects, the psychedelic effects, are mediated, primarily via 5-HT2A, although we don't know if the therapeutic effects come from that. And what seems to happen when people are undergoing the psychedelic trip is that their default mode network activity is suppressed. And this leads to a sort of global connectivity increase in the brain, so networks communicating where they don't normally. And in addition, it's been demonstrated, at least preclinically, that DMT increases neuroplasticity. So there's this combination of increased connectivity and improved plasticity, we think, would lead to a therapeutic outcome the other side. And we do couple the administration with therapy. So the patients come in and they have a sort of preparation session with therapists where their DMT experience is explained and where sort of rapport building can happen, so they can feel safe with the experience. And then the therapists stay with them during the experience, and as they come out, they go into a sort of integration session, we call it. So they discuss the experience and what it might mean and how to make sense of it. And we have several follow-up sessions as well.